What if the food you trust most in the morning is slowly hurting you after 65? What if eggs, the symbol of strength and protein, change their effect as you age? And what if the real danger is not eggs themselves, but the way you learn to eat them? That is the mystery hiding in plain sight for millions of seniors. If you are over 65, you likely believe eggs are safe. Doctors once warned about cholesterol, then reversed course. You heard eggs are a perfect protein. You heard 1 or 2 a day are fine. That sounds settled, yet something feels off. Blood tests change. Energy dips. Digestion feels heavier. The clue is subtle. The truth stays hidden. Let us start where the problem actually begins. Early adulthood. In your 20s, your liver clears dietary cholesterol fast. Your gallbladder releases bile easily. Your body adapts. Studies from Harvard show young adults regulate egg cholesterol intake with little effect on blood lipids. No harm appears. The habit forms. Eggs become daily food. Now move forward. In your 40s, quiet changes begin. The Framingham Heart Study shows LDL clearance slows by about 10 to 15% by midlife. Insulin sensitivity drops. Inflammation markers rise slightly. You still eat eggs the same way, fried, with butter, with processed meat. Nothing breaks yet. But the system strains more. Here is another clue. Aging science took a turn in the 1990s when researchers like Dr. Walter Willett began separating food from preparation. Eggs were not the full story. The context mattered. Fat type mattered. Frequency mattered. This mattered more with age. After 70, the shift becomes real. Liver enzyme efficiency declines. Bile flow weakens. According to NIH aging data, seniors absorb dietary cholesterol differently than younger adults. This does not mean eggs become poison. It means mistakes matter more. Small errors create big effects. Here is where cause and effect tighten. Many seniors eat eggs daily because chewing feels easy and protein feels necessary. They eat them fried because it tastes familiar. They pair them with salt and refined bread. This combination raises oxidized cholesterol levels. Oxidized cholesterol links strongly to arterial plaque. Cleveland Clinic studies show oxidized LDL rises significantly in adults over 70 who consume fried eggs regularly. The breaking point arrives quietly. Lab numbers shift. LDL creeps up. Triglycerides follow. Inflammation rises. Some seniors notice brain fog. Others notice joint pain. Some see higher blood pressure. Medical visits increase. Prescriptions follow. Statins appear. Costs rise. Lifestyle narrows. Now the fallout. According to American Heart Association data, adults over 65 spend nearly 3 times more on cardiovascular-related care than adults under 45. Diet plays a role. Eggs are rarely blamed. The mistake stays hidden. What do seniors try next? They remove eggs completely. Protein intake drops. Muscle loss accelerates. Falls increase. Or they switch to egg whites only. Nutrients like choline disappear. Brain health suffers. Or they trust old advice and ignore preparation. None of these fixes address the real cause. So, what is actually making eggs harmful? Not eggs alone. It is 5 common mistakes. First mistake: frying eggs in butter or seed oils. High heat oxidizes cholesterol. This risk rises sharply with age. Second mistake: eating eggs with processed meats. Bacon and sausage add nitrites and saturated fat. Studies show this combo increases heart disease risk by over 30% in seniors. Third mistake: eating eggs daily without breaks. NHANES data shows seniors who eat eggs every day have higher inflammatory markers than those who eat them 4 times per week. Fourth mistake: skipping fiber with eggs. Eggs without vegetables slow digestion. Cholesterol absorption increases. This effect is stronger after 70. Fifth mistake: ignoring individual response. Some seniors are hyper-responders. About 25% of Americans show larger cholesterol spikes from eggs. This percentage increases with age. Now connect this to today. Millions of seniors follow habits built decades ago. Bodies change, habits do not. The mismatch creates risk. Patterns repeat across states, income levels, and backgrounds. Here is what evidence supports instead. Cooking method matters most. Boiled or poached eggs show far lower oxidation. Pairing eggs with fiber lowers cholesterol absorption by measurable amounts. Spacing egg days allows recovery. These changes show improvements in blood markers within 12 weeks in older adults. Now 3 direct actions you can apply today if you are over 60. First action: switch to boiling or poaching. Avoid high heat frying. Second action: eat eggs with vegetables, spinach, tomatoes, or mushrooms. Fiber matters. Third action: limit eggs to 4 days per week. Give your body time to reset. One clear warning based on evidence: if you have diabetes or heart disease, daily fried eggs increase cardiovascular risk significantly after 70. This is shown consistently in American cohort studies. Here is the open thought to hold on to. What other healthy foods quietly change their impact as your body ages? If this made you stop and think, do like and share this with someone who eats eggs every morning. And subscribe now for the next chapter, where we reveal another everyday food that turns risky after 70.